Question 1. At its core, that does HACCP stipulate? A. That compliance should be use the right ingredient in preparation of food. B. That all organizations involved in the food business should be implement and maintain the hygiene produce based on the HACCP principle. C. That people should have washed their hand before handling foods. D. That the food processing organization should be keep their administrative record in good order. Answer A. That compliance should be use the right ingredients in the preparation of foods. Question 2. What does HACCP stand for? A. Hazard analysis and critical control point. B. Hazard and critical control point. C. Health analysis and critical control point. D. Hazard and critical cooking point. Answer A. Hazard analysis and critical control point. Question 3. What does critical control point means? A. The point when the food handler must start to make administrative records in HACCP system. B. The point when steam start rises the food being cooked. C. When bacteria start to grow uncontrollably on food. D. It is a point, step or procedure at which control can be applied to prevent eliminated food safety hazard to reduce it an acceptable level. Answer D. It is a point, step and procedure at which control can be applied to prevent and eliminate food safety hazard to reduce it to an acceptable level. Question 4. What is a HACCP plan? A. For that to be upheld by the all food handler. B. A food hygiene rating scheme. C. A right document which is based upon the 7 principles of HACCP, which clearly state the safety procedure to be followed to identify any hazard that must be avoided, removed and reduced. D. A system used in food hygiene auditing. Answer C. A written document which is based upon the 7 principles of HACCP, which clearly state that safety procedure to be followed to identify any hazard that must be avoided, removed and reduced. Question 5. What is a HACCP team? A. A team highly trained. B. A group of people who have the skill and knowledge need to develop, implement and maintain the HACCP system. C. A team of government investigator. D. An office-based team, administrative office who specialize in food hygiene matter. Answer B. A group of people who has skill and knowledge need to develop, implement and maintain a HACCP system. Question 6. What hazard does HACCP address? A. It is used to guide business through the process of identify the food safety hazard. B. It highlight inquiry in the organization and the administrative process. C. It show food handler which utensils to use when cooking meals. D. It focus on the potential fire hazard in the food preparation area. Answer A. It is used to guide business through the process of identify the food safety hazard. Question 7. Which of these would be the critical limits? A. Washing of vegetable before using them. B. Cooking chicken when reached at temperature 165 Fahrenheit for 15 seconds. C. Checking the use of data on canned ingredient. D. The temperature of food is kept in fried. Answer B. Cooking chicken to reach a temperature 165 Fahrenheit for 50 seconds. Question 8. What is the first stage of putting together a HACCP system? A. Putting together HACCP team. B. Make sure that everyone has the correct form it filled in. C. Determining the product line and distribution channel that should be included in a HACCP plan. D. Creating a flow diagram. Give a simple and clear outline to step involved in a food process of company. Answer A. Putting together a HACCP team. Question 9. What sector HACCP is applicable to? A. The motor industry specializes the production of line. B. Airline industry. C. Software development. D. It should be the implement by the organization directly or indirectly involved in various sectors of food industry and related supply chain. Answer D is the right answer. It is a supply to implement by organization directly indirectly involved various sectors of food industry and related supply. Question 10. What are the benefits to implementing the HACCP? A. It assists the business that work within the food preparation and supply industry to identify and manage the key control over the process and thereby ensure the safe food. B. It helps the organization to keep accurate administrative record relating the food production. C. It keep work involved in a food production on their toes. D. It helps to increase the profile of company involved in a food preparation. Answer A. It assists the business that work within the food preparation and supply industry to identify and manage key control to over process and thereby ensure the safe food. Question 11. How many principles are there in a HACCP system? A. 4, B. 7, C. 8, D. 10. Answer B. 7. Question 12. HACCP can not only prevent case of food poisoning, it can be also A. Increase company profile. B. Make food taste better. C. Help the company to comply with the related food law regulation. And D. Make food look more palatable. Answer A. Increase a company profile. Question 13. The record keeping requirement of HACCP plan enable A. Food handler to work faster. B. Companies save money by using less paper than it otherwise would see investigator audit and company and see how well they are the complying with the food safety law over its set period. D. People know that their colleague is doing. Answer A. Food handler to work faster. Question 14. What is the purpose of protective disposal clothing? A. It assists the food handler to maintain a upkeep their personal level hygiene, thereby the key helping to stop any food contamination. B. Make food handler look more professional. C. It helps the food handler and reorganize each other work they do. D. It protects them in the case of accident. Answer A. It assists the food handler to maintain its upkeep their personal level hygiene, thereby helping to stop any food contamination. Question 15. Why must be food must truly cook to the correct time and temperature combination? It helps to improve taste. It make food look more attractive. It required C. It is required of food law. D. It helps to kill harmful microbes that can be causes disease. Answer D. It helps to kill harmful microbes that can causes disease. Question 16. Which of the following is true about bacteria? A. Bacteria multiply and grow faster in warm condition or environment. B. Bacteria need air to survive. C. Every type of bacteria can be give people food poisoning. And D. By freezing of food, you can kill bacteria. Answer A. Bacteria multiply and grow faster in warm environment. Question 17. In a place of work, the best way to dry your hands after washing them is A. Use of cloth towel. B. Must shake excess water away. C. Use of air dryer. D. Use of paper towel. Answer A. Use of cotton towel. Question 18. Which of the following sector has the applicable? A. Retailing. B. Fast food takeaway. C. Office administration. D. Facility management. Answer A. Retailing. For more video, link in description. For daily updates and study material, our Telegram and Instagram channel. So subscribe our channel, share with your friend. Thank you.